Let us go. Even you are here, we are waiting for your luggage. Let us go. Let us go. We are just
Boss, what happened?
Omuwagizi wa NUP akubiddwa essasi ku mutwe. Taasule taakeese byengenda okubeera nga nkutuusaako wali munanga ate mu kibiina eky'omukulu munanga ate Bobi Wine wabula Bobi Wine wabadde nga ayolekera munanga ate wali mu Solonko okubeera nga akyawenja akalulu byengenda okubeera nga nkutuusaako kosa ate Fikfameka yeeyongedde okubeera nga akyakakasa omukulu munanga ate Bobi Wine esayidi eno kosa ate n'ebiswanka nabyo ngenda kubeera nga mbikutuusaako ko mu maaso awo wabula omuwagizi wa NUP ate nga ono dokita nga ino mutuuze wali mu Mbale wabula akubiddwa poliisi ku mutwe wabula bannange simanyi oba kyendaba naawe kyolaba embeera bweti.
Boss, what happened? What happened? What happened?
What happened? We were on the trail. When we reached the corner, Nalugugu, they were trying to stop the border guys. So after when they stopped the border guy, the guys started beating the border guys. We told them, guys, stop beating them. Don't beat them. Just tell them not to come. When we told them like that, they were like, no, these guys are the ones who are being stubborn. I opened the window and I told them I'm a leader, guys. I am a mayor of industrial division. I'm the head of the protocol in the region, in the party. I told them, guys, don't beat these boys. Just leave them alone. They marked our car. They started following us. We reached there in Mutofu, trading center where the president was having a mini rally. They told us, these are the guys. They shoot our tire. So we were scared of them spraying to us. We decided to drive and we wanted to change the tire somewhere here. They started following us. When we got here, we had no choice because we were left alone. We had to lock our vehicles because we know they were going to kill us. We had to lock the vehicle. When we were locking the vehicle, we told them, guys, when they were telling the driver to open, I said, guys, we're now in the situation.
Where were you left alone?
Open.
Where were you left alone?
First complete. First complete.
Were you left alone?
Come to us. This side.
What happened? They started banging the car. They sprayed me myself. They sprayed me with pepper spray in my eyes. I could not see anymore. Immediately, before they even sprayed me, when they took him out of the vehicle, the guy hit him with the gun. I don't know who he is, but they hit him with the gun, and I'm sure the guy's life is in danger because it has gone deep in the head. I saw with my eyes, it has gone deep in the head. Okay. We're just praying for him.
Was it a live bullet or a gun?
It was a bullet. It was a bullet. It was a bullet.
Okay. Kaakati nno mu ddakiika ze nkoleddemu vidiyo eno muganda wange nga taasule taakeese.
Give space. Give space. Give him space. Give space.
So embeera munanga ate bwetyo bwebadde wali omukulu Bobi Wine nga ayolekera munanga ate kulaale wabula nga nkongeddeyoko Fikfameka yabaddekoko ku show emu yabaddekoko wali munanga ate mu mpere nendaba wano nga ali mu kuyimba ekigambo munanga ate people power akatambi kano kabadde munanga ate nga kasaanikidde omukutu ogwa TikTok Fikfameka nga alaga support gy'alina munanga ate eri omukulu Kyagulanyi nga bwogezako okulaba akatambi ako. Ku sayidi yemu kosa nakano akabiswanka naye yeeyongedde okubeera nga akyalaga sappooti gy'alina eri omukulu munanga ate Bobi Wine nako kabadde kakutte munanga ate ettabbu ku mukutu ogwa TikTok.
Simanyi pulezidenti gwe mpagira nammwe mumuwagira abenge. Kati pulezidenti gwe mpagira mumuwagira. People power. Higher power. People power. NUP. gyaliwo wano gyaliwo gwejamubuulire
webityo munanga ate bwe bitambudde mu butambi buno obadde busaanikidde wali ku TikTok. Jjukira nti nno wano wekiri ebikutteyo tubikutegeezaako ku wano, wabula ky'olina okukola ku subscribinga, ebisigadde byonna obiturekere.